Good morning. Not feeling that great, so I'm probably not going to be very much in today's vlog. I'm going to do a little bit of makeup though to kind of cover this up, but I just wanted to tell you guys that, and maybe it will just be like a kind of different vlog, maybe even a shorter vlog, especially now that I'm probably going to start ramping up my Christmas stuff. I'm going to try to get as organized with that as I can, and I am going to try to fit in some planner videos because I know so many of you have subscribed to me for those and you really want some of those. So for that purpose, I may shorten my vlogs, which will maybe even easier for some of you to like watch all the way through, because I know a lot of you are really busy, and I mean not a lot of you, but I'm sure just in general everyone's got stuff to do, and maybe some of you come to YouTube for downtime, which is me, and I'll spend hours. But done with the intro. Good morning. I'm gonna fix my face and then we'll get the day started. Today, one of my goals is going to be to put up my daughter's professional photographs on this wall. I did decide I'm going to go ahead and do that there instead of there where I originally thought I was going to put them. So hopefully it's going to turn out the way I want it to, because I'm about to put some holes in the wall. So I am going to attempt to do a method I have never done before, but I really want to ensure that these photos are looking like they've been professionally hung. I did some research on YouTube. I feel like YouTube pretty much has all the answers to freaking life. So I found a really great way two different ways actually from a couple different videos to attempt to hang up my pictures, and one of them is using this. And you'll see what I'm talking about here in a second. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna lay these down on this paper, and I am going to trace around the picture frame, and then yes, I'm gonna cut that out. That seems like a lot of work, but I would rather get the pictures all straight. So I'm going to trim 9 of these, and then what I'll do is I'll put the papers up on the wall first. Make sure that they're spaced and leveled, and then the picture will go where each piece of paper is. All right, so I have started this task. It is not easy, and I can't believe thinking about it that I'm gonna have to do it again when I move, but whatever. Okay, so I've been using a level tool, but to be honest, I still can't tell if those are like aligned with each other. I know they're like leveled across, but I'm feeling like they got a little higher and higher. There's supposed to be 24 inches between those two gaps, so I'm about to measure that, and then 3 inches in between those. And I have to do another row and another row. Okay, let's go. Is the best that I could possibly do. It doesn't look too bad. I feel like this one, I feel like they kind of went out a little bit, but this is it. This is all I can do, and I'm pretty happy with it. I know that it's really good eye level, so that's good. So the top space, the side space, bottom space isn't bad. It's just some of these kind of drifted off a little bit, but it's okay. Looks pretty good. Then I think I'm gonna get something to go above there to take up some space. Maybe something similar to like that. I'm not sure. Or maybe I'll do like a word or something, you know, family or love or something. I am now catching up on the shows that I record on my,
that's gonna make it a lot worse.
what do you call it? No one calls it a DVR anymore, but, or TiVo. What do we call it? I don't even know. I'm watching Outdaughtered, and over in the kitchen, I am making dinner. I'm making chicken breast, has some seasoning, paprika, and then I'm going to boil some asparagus and just coat it off with some salt and pepper, and then that's pretty much dinner. It is called DVR, so that's what it is. Also, in case you were wondering, found the other pink sock.